What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or restart your Android phone. So to do that, you want to go ahead and swipe from the top down towards the top right, and you will have some options here. If you look to the upper right, you will see the middle icon, which is the power button. You want to tap on that. Once you tap on that, you will have four options, right? So you have the one for power off. Actually, you will see there, let me go back into the settings. You have one for power off, one for restart, and you have medical info and emergency call. And of course, you can basically access the side button. So to restart the phone, for example, you just go ahead and press this button right here, and it will now go ahead and give you the option where you can now tap on it and restart your phone, right? So this is how you can do it, or you can always go back and choose another option. As you can see, I choose power, and this is basically going to allow me to power off my phone. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can go ahead and power off or restart your Android phone. Very easy and very simple.